If you have been wondering how to create a Fiverr account in 2024, I'm here to tell you that you're watching the right video, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Fiverr account and also create a gig with that Fiverr account so that you can know exactly how it's done. And with this, you can get clients from top tier countries in the world like USA, Canada, and UK. So if you're interested in that, please like the video and subscribe, and let's get straight into how you can start making money in 2024. So first thing I'm going to do is log into my email, which I've done. So you're going to ask me for my, I should choose a username. So I would just like to just keep this simple, and for my sake, I'm going to be using a name different because I've already used my legal name, and it's advisable that you use your registered name from your ID card. So use a name, because Fiverr is going to ask you for your ID later on. And when I started this initially, they didn't ask me for my ID, but I think about 3 months after, they asked for that and my ID. So I was kind of like happy that I used my name so that I won't have to run into any problems, because I had some pending payments I was supposed to receive, and can imagine if I couldn't verify my account, and I'll be locked out from my account. So use your main name, but for now I'm just going to use my alias because this is not my real account. Obviously, I'm not going to be using this account. I'm just using this for educational purposes, just to show you guys how to create the account. So I'll just go with Mudia Phillips, just to keep this simple and make this video as fast as possible. Then it says my account has been created. Then I'm selling my services, so I'll go with that. Then yes, side hustle, I'm just getting started. Yeah, I'm just getting started. So complete your seller profile. So you're going to ask for a bunch of information. So you guys should answer these questions as accurate as possible. You don't want any problems later. But for now, I can play around with this because this is not my real account, obviously. So yeah, Phillips, display name. You can just put something that is easy for them, because most of the time it's gonna be US clients you're gonna be getting. So put something that is easy for them to relate with. So something like this. Everybody knows Philips, Philips. You can just leave it as Philips. So this is something you're going to be seeing. So you can leave it as that. Profile picture is necessary because it will show that this is someone that I can relate with. So for example, I'm just going to use this my fine profile picture for that. Then for description, this is where ChatGPT comes in. So I'll just ask ChatGPT to, oh, I already removed my image. It's original. What do I do? Okay, we'll work on that later. So just tell ChatGPT to give us a description. A description for my Fiverr profile. Make it professional. I am a digital marketing expert. So let's just, this is kind of like taking the work out of the guesswork out of it. So just copy this, paste this there. On your projects. Will that be enough? Okay. So that's it. Then for languages, I talked about this in my other video. Try and add as much language as possible as you can. So obviously the first language I'm gonna add is English, and I'll put this as fluent. Add this, then I'll add Spanish. Put this as basic. This is gonna make you get clients from not just English speaking countries. You also get clients from Spanish speaking countries also. Add French, basic. I'm gonna add German. Then yeah, I just add this for this for the basic ones you should add. So occupation, digital marketing. I'll say from 20. Let me say 2015. Choose 2 to 5 of your best skills. I'll go with content, something about content. Example, affiliate marketing, um, video marketing. I'm not really saying where I align to here. I think graphics. I'm more of a video editor. Go with video and animation. Social media videos. Yeah, social media videos. I think this applies to me better. So then put this 20. No. The Well, this doesn't really matter much. No, I think the main thing you have to really look at is, at the end of the day, most clients will pick you because you have good reviews on whatever service you put up there. So I won't really look at this as I won't really think about this too much. I'll put this as content development. Yeah, make yourself an expert. Then you can add any other thing you can add to it. This is just an example. Then you can put your educational qualifications, then your certification. This will just be an added advantage, then maybe your personal website, or you can also add that, although this is private though. Okay, add okay, social media videos, um video editing. Also add this. So I think this is okay. Then security questions. My email has been verified. Then phone number also. It's important you add your phone number because it's with your phone number you can use to add your Pioneer account. So it's important you add your phone number. But I'm just going to skip it for this part because, like I said, I won't really be using the account that much. Phone number needs to be added. So so now it will direct you to create your first gig, and the question that comes up usually is, what gig should I create? So what gig should I create? That's always the question. The basic question is, what gig should I create? So what I'm just gonna advise you to do is, the best way to know what gig to create is to scroll through social media, and don't scroll through social media like a consumer. Scroll through social media like a creator. You want to see, okay, what are people posting? Look at their posts, go to their profile, look at what they are promoting. This one will make you know that, okay, most likely they are going to need consistent content for their pages. So that will kind of like make you know the right thing to put out there. But for right now, if I'm to start all over right now, I'm going to still go on the content creation for you know other creators that don't really have time to post. So what will I go for? You need to go for like AI services. So that concludes the video. As you can see, that's how you can just create a Fiverr account, and you have to add all those other information within ad if you can. That's not really much of a big deal. That won't stop you from creating your first gig. So add all of that, add your contact details so that your account can be easily verified. And so that's just it. When you are done with that, you can start creating your first gig. And in my next video, I'm going to show you the gig that I think everybody should put their mind to. I'm really going to explain on that, and we're going to create our first gig together. So make sure you subscribe and like this video if you've watched till the end. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.